In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to create a bank payment in Kloud. In order to create this, we will first navigate to Accounts and Finance module. We will then open the transaction and then click on a bank payment. A bank payment is a money transfer from one bank account to another. It is a form of the digital payment system. To enter details for your bank payment, click on the Renew button. After that, the bank payment page will be opened. Now, click on the account field of the debtor and press the F2 button. A pop-up will appear where you must select the account ID or account name. Next, click on the narration. The narration option defines the objective for which the payment is being done. Further, click on the account ID of the receiver field and then press the F2 button. A pop-up will appear where you must select the account ID or account name. Here, all the details regarding the account data will be displayed. Next, enter the for debit amount. The amount will be automatically shown on the net amount and base debit columns. In the further step, you must enter the lot number. In my case, I have entered NA because the payment is not linked with any lot number. Further, click on the Split Business Area button. A pop-up will appear where you must click on the business area name and press the F2 button to select the business area name. The same process has to be followed for the business module. Finally, enter the amount and click on the Submit button. Further, click on the Adjustment button, after which a pop-up will appear. Now you have to select the method and enter the reference, amount, get automated debit, and also enter the due date. Now click on the Submit button. At last, saving all the above-mentioned details will lead us to successfully complete our bank payment. You can now find the bank payment by clicking on the Find button, and all the details you just created will be visible. Furthermore, if you wish to revise your bank payment, click on the Revise button and you will be able to alter it as per your user rights. Record saved successfully.